Hi there humans and fur babies, welcome back to Inside the Round. As you would have already seen from the thumbnail, this is a Christmas inspired video. My friend showed me some photos the other day that she'd seen online of people who had made alternative Christmas trees this year, and she was trying to think of what she could do herself. And then she saw my pile of garbage in my man cave and challenged me to do the same, to turn all of this trash into a Christmas tree. So that's what we're doing in today's video. Now, I've set myself a few limits. I'm not going to buy anything and I'm not going to paint anything. I'm just going to use what's here. And as Christmas is only 2 weeks away, I have got to get this damn tree made and up so I can start putting gifts underneath it and post this video before it's the new year. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to get right into making this tree. I'm going to start by seeing what I actually have here because I honestly just dump it all in a pile, so I don't know what I've got. So I've got a couple of fan grills which I made my lampshade out of, which you've already seen, which I think could be nice cut down into 3 tiers. 1, 2, 3, and then some kind of staffing on top. So people at my house some sleeve stuff here. Someone left this oil diffuser thing, but they left it because it's broken. So I was like, well, now I have to find out where to put it, which landfill I'm going to put this into. So I didn't, I kept it. And so I like this little peaky bit, which could be good at the top. And this could actually be a good base. Something like that. That could be good. Ooh, I liked. And maybe this can be the topper somehow. Okay, I'm feeling that. What else do I have? I was trying to make things out of old CDs and I tried to make a star, but it's so povo, but maybe it'll work in my trash tower Christmas tree, who knows. This old revision mirror from a car. I've got an old DVD player here that's broken as well, and before you all say, oh, take it somewhere to get it fixed. There's nowhere to get it fixed here. As you know, I live in Bali, like they just chuck stuff in the trash. All these cords as well, which actually this cord could be like tinsel. These are all leftover bits from when I put in my sink. So I've got these pipey bits. Anyway, I'm going to change it to an aerial shot now, so I don't have to talk and I can just start doing it. So with projects like this, there's a lot of trial and error. I really don't know where I'm starting, where I'm ending, what is happening. I mean, I know I want to make a tree, but I have so many piles of junk. I don't know what's going to go with what's going to fit with what I can cut down, what's just too hard to cut down. So a lot of this is me like putting this there, putting that there, and then seeing it doesn't work, and gluing this and then pulling it apart. I mean, that's the creative process. A lot of the time you watch videos on YouTube and everything looks like it just happens, but it don't just happen. Things just sometimes take a lot of trial and error.
Making spirits bright, what fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Here's one of those times where I was thinking the park was the perfect solution for the stem of the tree, and I probably found about with that for hours, and then I kind of didn't do that at all. So then I moved on to making my cords into a macrame on the top to give slope to some of the top of the tree. I then found these random things, I don't know where they came from, but they hooked in great into the bottom of the fan, which meant that I could hang some Christmas decorations from it.
Misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upside.
And here's the final tree with my crusty CD star on top, my old dog bowl holding it all together, a couple of old cords, my macrame, some of the cogs from the broken CD player, some of those pipes that were left over from the sink. I also ended up breaking down that fan with little angel wings and the mirror, and found these rubber washers that I could hang from those weird little bits. So yeah, I'm kind of pretty happy with it. I mean, it's totally random, but hey, it looks great.
The second part of this Christmas special, I want to make myself a Christmas outfit to wear on Christmas Day. Now, I have this t-shirt, which I love the colour, I love everything about this t-shirt, but I did wear it when I climbed a mountain. I climbed Huayna Picchu in Machu Picchu, and ever since then it absolutely stinks. I'm scared of heights, so I'm not going over to see what's over there because I'm gripping to the wall. That wasn't a very fun climb. I don't think I'm going to be a climber. As in, I think that's going to be my new exercise regimen. Oh God, I'm freaking this shit out. Anyway, there's Machu Picchu from Huayna Picchu. I think that my BO impregnated the underarms of this t-shirt, which is disgusting. I'm going to make it a tank top, and I'm going to make it like an ugly Christmas sweater. I'm going to see what fabrics I've got, see what buttons and bits and bobs I've got, and create a ugly Christmas sweater. So I think what I'm going to make is a gingerbread cookie t-shirt. Gingerbread. What do you call it? A gingerbread man. A gingerbread man cookie on the front. Once I settled on the shape of my gingerbread man, I cut it out of paper to form a template. I used some leftover fabric from the bedhead upcycle that I did because it had a great texture and kind of looks like gingerbread. So I pinned the template to the fabric and then cut it out.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells.
Next, I securely pinned the cutout piece to the front of the t-shirt.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I decided to attach it using a blanket stitch because it'll make it really secure, meaning I don't need to use glue or anything like that, and it'll also give it a really clean finish on the edge.
Was lean and lame. Misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle.
So I've finished with my blanket stitching, and now I have to do all the details on the gingerbread man. So I think what I want to do is make it look like a badly iced gingerbread man. Instead of doing a really pretty gingerbread man, I want to do like a sloppy gingerbread man. So I've got tons of little random buttons, and I've got these cool little beads that look like lollies really. I've got some other beads, I've got a few paints, not necessarily awesome colours, but I got fabric paints. So now I'm just going to have a play and see what looks good.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go,
made some of the paint bits a bit bigger because it was a bit small for the size of the gingerbread man. Now I'm going to play with the details. I'm going to sew all these bits on off camera because it's easier to do it off camera. And then I think we're going to be nearly done. I think gingerbread man's looking very cute. Now I just need to cut off the sleeves and line up the seams. Make the shoulder a little bit smaller. Bring that down here. And cut off the underarm bit here because that's the stinky bit. Basically cut that shape. So I cut one and then I can use it as the template for the other side.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells.
Cute! Christmas tea completed. Christmas special and the 2 upcycling projects. Thank you very much for all your support in 2019, my first year of YouTubing. From everyone here at Inside the Round headquarters, that's me, Cookie and Mateo. Please hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more from my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. Please put in the comments below if there's any videos you'd like to see so I could work on some new ideas for 2020. Alright, I better say goodbye because everyone wants to leave. Yeah, okay. See you.